Hi, this is Bittupan here. In this video, I want to talk about jogging and running. Jogging and running actually are not very effective in weight loss. They are useful, but I'm saying is that they are not very effective as we think. I'll explain this logically and scientifically why jogging and running actually do not help you lose weight after some time. Initially it works, but slowly it does not work. The problem is that whenever somebody starts their fitness plan or their weight loss plan, the first thing that they do is they start running and do jogging. But there are a lot of other ways which are very much effective than jogging and running. And at one point of time when you do a lot of jogging and running, actually you stop seeing any results at all. That is why mostly you must have noticed in gyms that there are few people who walk on the treadmill and run on the treadmill. They do the same thing again and again for days together, for months together, but they don't really get any result, and after some time they really get frustrated. Now I want to explain a basic science to you. See, our body is very smart. Nature has made the body in a very smart way. The body adapts to various situations outside. It adapts to external environments. For example, if you are somebody who lives in a very hot place and you go to a cold place, let's say you live in a place like Rajasthan and then you go for a vacation to Shimla, which is a very cold place, then initially your body will feel very cold. You will feel very cold initially, but after a couple of hours or after 1 or 2 days, your body will get adjusted to that temperature. So it means the body is very adaptive. When you go to places in higher altitude like in Leh Ladakh and all, so initially you will feel very uncomfortable because the oxygen in those places are very less, but slowly you will get accustomed to that environment. So what I'm trying to say is that the body is very adaptive. It gets accustomed to different environments. Nature has made the body in such a way. When we keep on doing the same jogging and running schedule again and again, the body gets adjusted to that schedule. When we start the same jogging routine at the same time every day in the morning, then the body knows, hey, at this time you are going to go to the park, and at this time you are going to start running, and at up to this much time you are going to run. The body knows everything. The body got accustomed to that. That is why if you start jogging today, probably you will lose some calories today. If you do the same routine tomorrow also, you will lose some calories. This will go on, but slowly the amount of calories that you lose will reduce, because slowly your body is getting accustomed to that environment, to that situation. That is why jogging and running does not help much on a long run. Then what you have to do instead of jogging and running? See, I am not suggesting not to do jogging and running. The idea of jogging is not just for weight loss. It has got other benefits also. So I am not suggesting, but what I am trying to say is that if you are really desperate to lose weight, then instead of jogging for 10 minutes or 15 minutes every day, or instead of jogging for half an hour every day, what you can do is you can do high intensity interval training. I hope you have heard about this high intensity interval training, which is HIIT. Do that. What is the purpose of HIIT? See, in HIIT, you do various exercises, one of high intensity, one of lower intensity. High intensity, low intensity. What you are trying to do is that you are trying to confuse the body. The body is confused in this situation. Sometimes the intensity goes high, sometimes low. Again, the patterns changes after a couple of days. So the body is confused. It is not able to get accustomed to that schedule. That is when you actually start targeting the fats. Otherwise, if you keep on doing the same schedule again and again, your body gets accustomed. Hope this is making sense. So I'm saying again that I'm not suggesting not to do jogging or running, but instead reduce the amount of time you do for running and replace that by high intensity interval training. A 5 minutes of high intensity interval training is much better than 20 minutes of jogging. If you want to learn more about any other health topics, then please do write in the comment section which topics you want me to speak about. And if you like this video, then please do subscribe and give a thumbs up. Thank you.